Hi everyone. So if you followed me for a while, you probably know me as the homemaker, the mom who shares, heart-to-heart talks from a place of faith and family. And I know you probably wonder where the last two videos I posted, if you've watched it, came from, right? Today, I want to let you in on another side of my life, one that has been behind the scenes, but is just as important to our home and our calling. I'm also a managing partner at a thriving SEO agency. We work with businesses, big and small, helping them get found online, build authority, and grow impactfully. But here's the twist: I never stopped being a homemaker. I did not trade one for the other. I built them together, not perfectly, but faithfully. And I realized that I'm not the only one trying to do this. In the background, I've been, working on a blog that basically brings all of this together. All right, faith, family, business. And we've been creating something special on Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo. It's not just a blog, it's a growing community. And right now, you'll find clubs there that speak to different sides of who we are. So there's a book club for women who want to read, grow, and reflect together. There's a passive income lab club if you're ready to start something profitable from home, so that we challenge ourselves to do it together every single month. All right. And the Crown to Create club, where faith meets strategy, and we basically, help women rise in purpose. And of course, there's the prayer and Bible club. Each of these are designed to help you go deeper in your skill, your calling, and in your faith. I don't want this to be a watch me space. I want this to be a walk with me space. I'm bridging the gap, all right? Now, this channel is not just about homemaking or just marketing. It's about working out your calling fully. Now, whether you're trying to grow a blog, sell a product, or turn your passion into income, I want to teach you what I have learned the hard way. And if you're already in business, but you're stuck in the noise, I can show you how SEO basically simplifies growth and gives you back your time. But here's the heart of it. I don't just want to teach, I want to build community, women who pray and, meal prep and manage client accounts, who believe that you can honor your home and build legacies at home and on the field. So if that's you, welcome. You're not alone, and you don't have to figure it out in isolation. I'll be sharing more soon. I'll be sharing tips on SEO tips for beginners, homemaker-friendly business strategies, and God-led encouragement to stay the course. So if you're ready to build without the burnout, all right, if you're ready to show up fully without shame, I need you to subscribe, stick around, and let's grow together. I remain Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.